Type the word tiles in Google and chances are you'll see the official website of Mariwasa Siam Ceramics Incorporated right among the search engine's top 5 hits. This shouldn't come as a surprise since Mariwasa, after all, is one of the country's pioneers in the ceramic tile industry and has become synonymous with both beauty and durability. And now, Mariwasa has also become associated with the words eco-friendly and green as well. Founded in 1966, Mariwasa was built on a vision of using the Filipinos' artistry, skills, and discipline to produce and create world-class ceramic tiles, becoming the first company to manufacture both wall and floor tiles in a vast range of colors and sizes. Besides bringing Filipino ingenuity and craftsmanship to the fore with its different products, Mariwasa has also started making the environment a top priority. They have also employed sustainable principles in their manufacturing processes by continually looking for innovations to reduce waste, carbon emissions, and conserve our natural resources. Their continuing efforts to provide quality products and services to customers without compromising the environment have been recognized by both the United Nations and Green Choice Philippines. In 2009, Mariwasa was among 10 recipients of the Blue Sky Award, a non-profit program sponsored by the United Nations that encourages the use of renewable energy in developing countries worldwide. The award was given to Mariwasa for the company's use of zero-waste, renewable raw materials such as rice husks in their manufacturing processes. This achievement is a testament to Mariwasa's commitment to lower its carbon footprint and become one of the most energy-efficient companies in the ceramic industry. We join John as he visits the Mariwasa plant in Santo Tomas, Batangas to learn more about how this company has succeeded in becoming the first and only local ceramic tile maker that has been certified by Green Choice Philippines.
So right now we're going to see the entire manufacturing process of how they produce the tiles. It's a huge plant, and I think this is where they store the raw materials for the tiles. Wow! We need to use these masks because it's very dusty inside.
Yes.
This is where they bring the raw materials. This is where they bring the mud.
Yes.
This is where you bring the clay. Where do these raw materials come from?
These raw materials came from Bulacan, from Nueva Ecija, from Pampanga, and even here in Batangas.
So they're all locally sourced.
Locally sourced.
Okay, so John, these are the raw materials.
Yes, these are the raw materials for the body of ceramic tiles.
Okay.
This is actually the clay.
Okay, that's the clay. All right.
Yes. This impacts on the sizing of the tile in terms of shrinkage.
Okay.
And this is also another raw material.
What is this?
This is actually the top hill raw material.
Okay, so you have different types of clay that you use?
Yes.
And different sources
yes,
also?
Yes, in different sources.
What are the differences in terms of the properties of the
in terms of properties, it's actually there's a small variance, but it's almost the same.
Wow.
This is the rice husk area.
Okay.
The storage area wherein the source of this one came from field rice.
Okay.
Came from Nueva Ecija.
Okay, so in your entire process, this is really where it starts to get green,
Yes.
right? Because you get it from a sustainable and readily available source.
Yes.
And it's something that also helps the community.
Yes, the community.
So when it gets here, this raw material is used to heat up your gasifier.
Yes. And this gasifier, which builds up this gas, supplies our spray dryer and our kiln.
Oh, okay.
This is what we call as raw glazed tile wastage.
Raw glazed tile wastage.
That means this is still raw.
Okay, so even before it gets cooked and
Yes.
you have some damaged tiles, you actually use it as part of your raw materials also.
Yes.
So glazing, meaning this is the part where it actually puts in the imprint of the design, right?
Yes. The process now comes like first coating, second coating, and the printing of the
Okay.
tile.
So it's literally a silk screen
Yes.
pattern.
Yes.
It's like it's similar to what they do in shirts, right?
Yes.
It's the same technology, more or less.
Yes. The forward motion transfers the paste into the screen,
Okay.
while the backward motion transfers the paste onto the tile.
Okay.
Basically, ceramic tile just goes to conveyors.
Okay.
Travels through conveyors.
And you can see at this point it's really hot.
Yes.
It's really hot. I mean, you can just see the smoke just coming out from the...
About 90 to 100 degrees.
So this is actually 90 to 100 degrees.
Yes,
So
for the surface temperature of the tile.
And I also noticed, I mean, it's daytime today. You're not really using your lights because you're using the skylight.
Yes. Probably 8 years ago, we used the skylight to reduce the dependence of electricity.
Wow, that's perfect. So what are these pipes over here?
So those pipes are pipes for the recycled heat.
Okay.
Wherein the excess heat from the kiln, we utilize and recycle for our dryer. That means reducing the dependence on the use of LPG and using the recycled heat.
Okay. So nothing really goes to waste. So from here,
The next one is for quality control.
Okay.
Checking of the defects.
okay. And then after that, you go to the packing.
This grade A transferred to this, and after acceptance, it will now be transferred to warehouse, then distributed to our dealer and to our end customers.
If you buy Thai from Mariwasa เนี่ย you ensure every Thai you purchase เนี่ย is contribute to reduce environment and also part of making the farmer life better.
With their dedication to excellence and their commitment to caring for the environment and the community, the company has certainly put uncompromising quality in each Mariwasa tile.